Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Calculating real GDP from nominal values is fast with the right trick. Let's solve this inflation problem together and find the correct answer. To find the real GDP, we must divide the nominal GDP by the price deflator. First, identify that our nominal value is $175 billion for the year. Since the inflation rate was 25% from the base year, our price index is 1.25. This represents the total price level increase relative to the start. Divide 175 by 1.25. This calculation gives exactly 140 billion, making option D the winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given values and check your steps carefully.